Boom, bam, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another GTA 3 Definitive Edition. Yeah, welcome. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Do remember to hit that like button. First time viewer, do remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It is much appreciated, man. Yeah, here on the Dash and the X channel. Yeah, man. So we're gonna continue from where we left off. You know what I'm saying? Continue part 2. I remember there was some cheats for this game, but I don't remember these cheats. Remember back in the days they had some cheats for these games. You could let your car float and all that stuff. Alright. Let's get a car, get it on. Damn, he be getting tired real quick. All right, no. Let me get this car right. Watch it, man. Watch it. Got the po-po on me, man. Let me see something. Let's go over here. Let's go check out over there. I remember there was a car dealership down there that you could get the Banshee. I must say if it's still. I must say if you could still get that car. Is it up here? I think it's up here. Yo, what's all this shooting, man? Oh, there it is. There's also a Hummer in there. You go get this car, man. Door open. Damn, I ain't got no weapons. Yo. How the hell I'm gonna get that car? I'm gonna drive this one in there. There we go. Got a nice car now. Yeah, it's very shiny. All right. I want to do some of those side jobs too, man, like them taxi jobs and. But I also want to finish these missions so I could unlock the whole map. Ooh, sorry, cop. Right over his car. The handling on this car feels so light. All right, let's go check Joey. Van Heist.
All right, we're gonna hit the payroll van. It leaves the edge of Chinatown every day. Bullets won't even dent the van's armor, so get a car and ram it off the road. Now hit it hard, and the punk-ass security guard should bail. And take it to the warehouse at the docks, and my guys are gonna take over from there. Now it won't be doing its rounds all day, so don't hang around.
Okay. Gotta go. Let me take this thing off the map. Get off the, get from in front of me, man. There you go. Get some water to cool you off. Oh shit. Get out the way, man. They're fucking up my car. Oh, there go the truck. I think I need something heavier than this car right here. Got that big ass truck. I'm gonna wait till they pass the police station. No, this car is gonna blow up. If I try to use this car, it's gonna blow up before I even damage that vehicle. I should get a stronger vehicle. Yo, what's out, dude?
Jesus, get out of my way!
Gotta ram the back of it. Damn, it takes forever to do some damage on this thing. Need a semi-truck.
What's that noise? Jesus, get out of my way!
She said, Jesus, get out of my way. Come on, man.
Always trouble.
Always trouble.
Oh, young folk making trouble.
Cop, get off of me, cop.
Get out of my way! What's that noise?
Always trouble. Yeah, get out of here, man. Damn, you all annoying. Oh, don't tell me I'm dead. Get up, dude. Get out of here, man. Oh shit. Oh man, fuck yeah. Damn. Alright, we know this part already, man. Ain't gotta. Okay, let me get a truck, y'all. Yo, get out the road, man. Damn. Alright, green light. Mr. My truck is already fucked up.
Oh, young folk making trouble. Things used to be better. Jesus, get out of my way.
Get out of my way. Come on, man. Hit him.
What's that noise?
I know the cops about to pull up.
Always trouble. Oh, young folk making trouble.
Damn, cops coming like crazy now.
Jesus, get out of my way.
Try to get him on this road right here, man.
Always trouble.
You won't kill me?
Oh, young folk making trouble. 62 years old, damn it.
See, I'm 62 years old.
All of them.
I'll grill your ass.
Always trouble. I'm 62 years old, damn it.
There we go. Okay, I got 20 grand. That's cool.
Damn, these shoes is killing me.
I got an inch.
Elboro wants to offer you an opportunity. Get to
All I
the
want to do is knock boots.
payphone in Hepburn Heights if you want more info. Okay.
How you doing?
Okay. Go steal this car. Dang, got alarm on it. Yeah. Okay. Oh, look at all these prostitutes, man. Me say fuck, they're gonna come in my car. Oh shit, they're like, get the fuck out of here. Girl say, get out of here. Let me try again. But I'm too broke. I must be too broke, I can't get a girl.
Don't take care
Hey, what's up? Oh shit. Jump on in here then. How you get them in here? Okay. I can get two. Alright, baby, me and you cruising today. When you see this car rocking, don't come knocking. She said find a secluded place. Let's see. She's like, no, she don't like this place. Okay. Oh shoot, come on girl, me and you cruising. Gotta get to a payphone over here. Where's this payphone? Yo, can't believe I'm playing GTA 3 in the year 2021. Alright. Go down here.
You feel like chilling?
I don't know what this girl is up to, man. You know? Got her in my car, but I don't, you know what? Let me take her over here. See what's up with her. Phone ringing, girl. Tell me what's up if you ain't up to nothing. Oh shit! When the car come rocking, you don't come knocking. It's amazing that she could stay from in the passenger seat, and she got mad skills, yo. She could do all of that from the passenger seat. Wow, go girl. This car needs some shots. Uh-oh. I guess that's it. Damn. She walk like a MMA fighter. Alright. Let me go over here. Alright, man. Let me park up right here.
You feel like chilling?
Who calling me, man?
This is El Burro of the Diablos. You are new in Liberty, but already you are gaining a reputation on the streets. There is a street race starting by the old school hall near the Callahan Bridge. Get yourself some wheels, and first through all the checkpoints wins the prize.
You know where I'm gonna get my car from, right? I ain't going in no race with no bullshit car. Look at these fools right here. Oh, they stopped fighting. Oh, there you go. There they go. Jumped him. You see? Why y'all jump the black man? Defend yourself, dude. Oh, here comes somebody with a bat. Run, dude. Oh, he's holding his own, though. Oh, they killed him. Damn. Alright, let's go get a car. Need a fast car. There it is. At least I leave a car when I take this one. It ain't a total loss for the car dealership. Oh shit. How come I didn't break the glass? Alright, man. Y'all gotta get out of the way. Get out of the way, man. Get off my car. Damn. I noticed I ain't got no gun. I should go get a gun.
Real nice on leopard skin.
Zero. Yeah, I think there's a shortcut, right? I could go down there. And shit around here. Yeah.
His mother's coming, she hates me.
Let me go buy a gun, you know. I can't afford to be running around looking for guns.
I got all your own defense needs.
How much that money could buy a gun? Okay, handgun, 250. I'll take that. This is out of stock. Damn.
Oh, Mom was great.
It's no trouble for you.
Oh, real free.
Oh, that's also. So I'm getting more ammunition.
We're going to Aruba.
Got a lot of bullets. I'm getting a lot of bullets. Get some more bullets, man. More bullets.
He's no good.
Full it up.
We're going to Aruba.
Alright, that's enough. Let's go. Get out my way, bro.
Want to know how much?
That must be the Italians or the Triads.
Real free. His mother's coming, she hates me. You retarded?
Alright, let's get to this race. Damn, they got Ferraris in this racing thing. Damn, man, get out of the way. Damn, they're driving crazy here. Ooh, I almost got away with that. Oh, man. Trying to look at the map and driving ain't easy. Come on, man, they coming. I don't even know if I'm going the right way, yo, I swear. Plus I don't see no other cars here. I wonder if I'm second, yo. Oh, you don't want me to pass you, huh? Damn, this is crazy, this shit. I'm telling you, this game is still fun, yo. Watch it, bitch. Damn, I should have went straight, man. I should have never turned with this fool. I should have went straight. Yo, this is getting ridiculous, man. Get out of this shit, bro. Oh, man. Hope the cops don't try to get me. I need a car, yo. I'm at fourth place. Give me this shit, man. Still in the race, baby. know I'm gonna come last now. Definitely coming last. Oh man, they call me a loser. Wow.
This is El Burro of the Diablo.
Yeah, man. What about that car right there?
He ain't no gentleman, that one.
So at least if you ever played this game for the first time, if it's the first time you play this game, you know exactly where to go for this car. This race is very hard, man, because you gotta come through right here. There's a lot of traffic always here. I'm gonna have to like drive on the sidewalk when I get to here.
I got your number.
They got Ferraris, man. I'm gonna let them go and see where they go first. Stay close to them. Stay with this one right here. Damn, man, what kind of bullshit is that? Man, that car can't even show me where to go, yo. Where is he? Yo, come on, man. What you hit me for, bro? This ain't no Steve McQueen shit. You know what? Let me go up here. Let me take my shortcut right here. And that bullshit with you, bro. Woo! Come on, go straight, bro. Go straight. Don't turn with that fool. I learned my lesson. So this car will burn up if you crash a lot. If you crash this shit a lot, your car burn up. Let me get off of that one-way street, man. That's where I be fucking up on that one-way street. Get out the way, bro. Car's already smoking. Oh, man. The whole trick about this race, man, is just not to pitch your car up a lot. It's not even about speeding. Okay, easy money, easy 10 grand.
Where am I? Can I get a bite? I'll grill your ass.
Yeah, easy 10 grand. I just saw a taxi cab. Hear me? Yo, hold up, man. Yo, Habib. Let me borrow this.
My mother's my sister.
Alright, let me try some of these side mission. Taxi driver. Come on, man, let's do some side mission. Here. Where you going, man? Hold up, Habib, hold up. I'll do the... Alright, where am I going, man? Alright. Fastest cab in the west, man. I mean in the east.
Get off the curb!
Watch out, people. Give me my money. Okay. Where you wanna go, man? Yo, don't take my fear, bro. Yo. I'm right here, man. Ooh-wee. Oh, the passenger. Okay, come on, man. Watch it. Get out the way, bro.
I'm warning you.
Give me my money. Oh, I'm getting money. That's I already almost make a
It's like the
taxi.
Watch where you're going, asshole!
Yeah, watch it, dude. Yeah, so if you're playing the game for the first time, if you never played GTA 3 in your life, and this is your first time playing it, it's good to start off doing these taxi jobs. It lets you know the place, let you know the map. All right, I'm gonna do one more taxi job. I made like $1,000 already. Come on, man. Some gang member. No, this is a gang member right here.
He tried to kill me.
Oh, you know what? Let me go down here. I should have went through that little...
my mother's my sister.
Okay, how much money I made there? Alright, I ain't doing no more of that. I made 1,300. That's not bad, man. For them few little...
Okay, we make deal. Somebody get the back of the rag.
Oh, you know what? gonna need a car.
No trouble. You pimpin', biatch.
Get out, pimpin', biatch. Oh, this guy's walking around with bats. I scream, you scream.
I started my exotic entertainment business
Scream
with
for
nothing
ice
but
cream.
the sizable contents of my leather pants. A gang of no-goods has threatened to remove my starring member if I don't pay them a cut. They threatened the wrong man, amigo. They have a weakness for the ice cream. Pick up the bomb I've hidden in hardwood, hijack the regular ice cream van on its rounds, and lure these fools to their doom with the jingly jingly. They hide in a warehouse on Atlantic Key.
Okay, get a van with the jingly jingly. Okay. Yo, get out the way, man. Jingly jingly.
You trying to kill me? Hurry up! I'm a petition.
This must be the bomb.
My mother's my sister.
He's saying his mother is his sister. What the hell are you talking about? Man, I got a bomb in here, bro. What the fuck? Alright. Well, let's go to the ice cream truck right there.
Have you gone to my sister?
I'm gonna get this guy to stop. Can I go in front of him and stop him? Oh, I can't, huh? Yo, I left you a car right there, bro. Alright, there you go, the jingler right there. Okay. I can't see the truck. There we go. Mr. Whoopi. I don't think this is how it looked in the first game. I think they changed this truck up. Mr. Whoopi. I'm trying to drive good, but damn, man. It's not easy. It's been a while I haven't played this game. I gotta go in here. Play the jingly. There we go. Exit the van. Okay. Oh, that's a remote. Okay. I'm gonna wait till I get. Okay, I'll wait till they go around the ice cream truck. They say they love ice cream. There they go. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, move truck so I could see what happened.
You drive like a pussy.
Load it. I get $6,000 that for that. Let me go over there. There's some money over there. I see some money over there. And guns. Yeah, I need these guns. Get out of here, man.
You can tell he's having fees.
Yeah, I thought you died, fam. Oh, look, his head is gone.
Young man, there's a place you can go.
Oh, I got a Uzi.
Having fees.
I got a Uzi. Stop, man. And stop in the name of hate. Get out. Oh, my pager going off. Any more? What? Let me see what it say. Any more? Crap. Bring them to our garage in the Portland Harbor. Okay. It was a telephone. Oh, that's a telephone right there, man. That phone was ringing for a while, and I couldn't find it. I was wondering where the hell that phone was ringing. Damn. You slapping the girl like that, man?
Yeah, no, Tony, I've tuned her real
Keep-
sweet. She purrs, you know what I mean?
Cipriani's
here's the guy I was
chauffeur.
telling you about. All right, listen, this guy ain't Italian and he's no mechanic, but he could get things fixed. This is Pop's capo, Tony Cipriani.
Yeah, I'm Tony Cipriani.
Take him to Mama's restaurant at St. Mark's. All right. Now listen to me. I'm planning a job that needs a good driver, so drop by sometime later, okay?
Okay, kid, drive me to the laundry in Chinatown first. I got a bit of business to take care of. Those washerwomen ain't been paying their protection money. And watch the car. Joey just fixed this junk heap, so no fancy crap, okay?
Nah, man, I can't drive to this music, bro. Sorry. Don't want to hear no Pavarotti right now. I mean, they could have did a little something better with the backlights on this car. It's the same way. I know it's not a remake, but you know, they could do a little better. It's fucking Rockstar.
Wait here. Keep the engine running. This ain't a social call.
Damn, he gonna whoop somebody.
My money, no problem. Okay. I'm
Mr. Wong's Laundrette. If it ain't Wong, it ain't white. Oh shit, you better get the oh, them Chinese ain't playing. Oh shit, get the fuck up out of here before they kill us. What you going over there fucking with them people for? And now you got us running like thieves. Oh, I'll pass the spot right here.
The triad's think they can mess with me? The triads. With me. Drop by later. Give them something to launder. Their own blood-stained clothes.
Them triads. He went up in the laundromat. Them triads was like, get the fuck up out of here. I never knew he could run so fast. Got any stories, old man unlocked? Uzis in stock at ammunition. Okay. So where's our house though? I never went in our. Let's go to the house, see what the house look like, man. If they change anything over there.
He's no good. I can't run and leave.
I never. Oh, it's up in here. I never went up in there. So you can't go up in there, yeah. How come I don't have no garage though? Yeah, yes I do. Let's bring this car up in the garage, yeah. See if I could store this car up in there.
Baby, I feel so good.
So how come ain't no door on my damn apartment, man? What kind of fucking place is this? Oh, there we go. Oh, so this is where you save. I thought you could like walk around in there. Nigga. Yo, he's sleeping in a fucking. Let me see how in there look. He's sleeping in a. He's sleeping on the floor. Pizza box right there. You got stove, washing machine, microwave. Man. Alright, let me go back in there. Save and save. Yeah. I mean, they did a good job with the sky, that's for sure. Yeah, man, but this is where we're going to leave the video. Yeah, we're going to do part 3. We're going to run through this game, man. Yeah, we're going to run through this game. We're just going to do it bit by bit. Because I want to do some of the side missions also. So, yeah. Yeah, man. So, thanks for watching. 21 Gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. First time viewers, welcome. Do remember to subscribe, hit that like button. It's much appreciated. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for watching. God bless. 1.